So here we're talking about ERP, so the different types of enterprise software and platforms. So here it's mostly, there's not going to be that much material from here. So just the idea of this type of software, what types of architectures you might see, what is ERP. So I'm not going to ask you, the different vendors. I try not to ask any vendor-specific questions, just the conceptual things. So like, what are the different components that might be in an ERP system you should understand? So this stuff you don't really have to know, but this was just to kind of illustrate the point. So yeah, what is ERP? What is SCM? What are the different components? Yeah, so all the different types of ERPs, but ERP is global concept, and then within it you can have SCM and CRM and HRM and all these different components and what they are. So that's the sort of thing that you should know, not any more detail than that. So just like what's included in these different concepts. I'm not going to ask you the vendors, so you don't have to worry about that too much. So not too much material from this is going to be on the exam, but just on the basic concepts of what we're talking about here. Let's see, anything else that we can talk about? So what do we mean by BI? What are the different visualization concepts like we talked about? So identity management is a very important concept, so you should know the difference between authentication and authorization, directories and databases. What are the differences between these two concepts? What are the different types of authentication and access control? What is role-based access and how does that work? What is SSO and the different mechanisms for doing it? What is PKI and how it works? So these should all be fairly familiar with you. Let's see, so this was just an example and demo. Don't worry about that. All right, so again, so I won't have anything on the exam for Salesforce because everybody had an individual assignment